Good morning. I'm still in bed, and today we're going Civil War reenacting, so I thought I would do something different and try to video blog. I don't know how well it's going to go, so I'm going to try to do a lot in the morning, because I tend to get tired. So if you were interested in Civil War reenacting, then keep watching. Hi everybody, so we're in my bathroom and I wanted to quickly show you what I'm wearing for the Civil War reenactment. So what we have here is basically a day dress, which is a dress that women wore to go visiting. It's not a work dress, it's not a farm dress, it's what women wore when they went to go and socialize. And if my camera lady will come in and look at my hair, I'll show you my hair. This was done with twisting, and it was tied back with a rubber band, which is not historically accurate, but when you have short hair like I do, you kind of have to cheat a little bit. And I'll give you a sneak peek up my skirt so you can see all the layers that I have to wear. The colored skirt is the top skirt, and then there's a top petticoat. And then underneath that, there's an under petticoat. And then you have drawers, which I'm not going to show you, but are crotchless. And underneath the drawers are stockings and boots. My boots are not historically accurate because of my disability. I can't wear 1860s boots because the heels are pretty much made of corkwood, and that's really, really hard on my feet. So I cheat and I use boots that are close to the way they should look, but they're not. They're from Walmart or something. So that is a sneak peek of what I'm wearing. I have a corset on underneath, but I'm not going to show you that because the lady should keep some things to herself. We have to look at the wall of boots because it's a stunning thing.
Then you should go next door across the way too. They got nothing but boots.
These things are really nice to carry around. Mom had one forever. Oh, guns.
I do have some boots like that.
They're magical, magical things that make men very, very attractive and make women make me wonder if I'm really gay on the inside. I know. You will.
Thank you, man.
One with it, will you?
Just be one with it.
One time I wore my black knee-high boots and my black, was that a black vest?
Yes. So, I am not down at the battlefield because the ground is horrendously muddy. Why don't you walk down the road a little bit and get closer?
You're gonna get stuck in there. It's amazing how muddy that is, Jesse.
No, you. Not me, you. Hey guys, so I am home from the Battle of Resaca now. It's about, I don't know, 6:10, 6:15, something like that. And I had a really good time. The only snafu was that it had rained a whole lot today up north in the North Georgia mountains. I live down in Atlanta. And the ground was really wet, so I couldn't get everywhere that I wanted to. I couldn't go see the camps or anything because the camps are way off the main road, and the Confederate camp anyway that I saw was like down in kind of a gully sort of thing, and I would never have been able to get down there with the wheelchair. Kind of a bore in that regard, but I did a lot of shopping. And I ate with my friends and walked around a little bit and got to see some of the battle. I couldn't get too close because the spectator hill was way up on a hill. And again, with the mud and a wheelchair, that's not a very good thing. So we found like a little hidey hole where we got some videos off of one of the side roads. And you know, it's probably a good thing that I didn't get too close to the battle because I have a terrible phobia of guns and cannons. I don't want to drag the whole tone of the video down too much by getting into that, but I really have a pretty bad phobia. I did okay today, but that was because we didn't get too close and I couldn't see it as well. I couldn't see the whole scope of it. I saw a part of it. So, that was probably the best part of it, besides the shopping for me, but for everybody was getting to see some of the battle. I guess tomorrow they're doing the cavalry battle, I think I read on the little pamphlet thing. But I missed the ladies' tea this morning because, it's a little difficult to get up there. My dog is trying to get into the video. So that is about it, I guess. Oh, I did buy a few things. I bought a new parasol, which I plan to use even when I'm not reenacting, because, as some of you may know now, I have a sun allergy. This is not something like I get burned easily. It's not a sunburn. It's an actual allergic reaction to the sun. And, so I'm hoping that using a parasol will kind of help out a little bit with that. And it's really pretty. It's kind of a off-white color. It's like a bit lacy, but solid enough to block the sun. So I'm going to figure out a way to attach that to the wheelchair. And I got a book about mourning jewelry, mourning fashion. Mourning is when someone dies and you wear black, that kind of thing. So that should help me with research on one of my upcoming novels. And I got my mom a birthday present. Her birthday is next week, so I got her a little silver ring with a green stone. I think it's an emerald. She loves green stones. So, all in all, it was a great day. I think my friends had a good time. And, I almost had an accident driving through the mud. I almost went out of control. You know, it's kind of like sliding around on ice, sort of, in a way. If you drive a car and you hit an ice patch, well, be in a wheelchair and hit a mud patch, and you're just going to keep on sliding. So that's why mud is pretty dangerous for me, and I almost had an accident, and that was when we decided maybe it was time to leave. So on the way home, I went through the McDonald's drive-thru in all of my Civil War clothes. Like, I'm sitting there in a corset and trying to get, chicken nuggets and fries and a Dr. Pepper. And then I got home and my neighbors were sitting on the front porch. I have upstairs neighbors, and they were sitting on the front porch, and I could see them looking over the railing at me like, what in the world is that girl wearing? But, that's the life of a Civil War reenactor, so, I hope at least there was some entertainment in this video. Hi, Daisy. Could you, not lick me? Thank you. Good Lord. Alright, I gotta cut this video short. So, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.